Learning algorithm or learning anything is a matter of information and record. If you are more of a beginner, you will be focusing more on the information part or how to get an algorithm into your head. Record is about retrieving the information from your head quickly. So let's start with information on how to memorize the algorithm. So you want to start by breaking down the algorithm into smaller or more memorable pieces of information. For example, this R move always go up followed by down, then up, then down. And the U move go U, U2. So we condense the information and now it's a lot easier to go through it without messing up. Now for this dialog case, you can condense the information the same way, but you can do it in a different way. Instead, we can visually watch what this pair does as we go. So we start with an F move, put the pair here, remember just U prime, and then put the pair back. Next, we focus on this pair. We take it out like this, and then put it back and fix that block. But once the brain is in your brain, the slower you can, the harder it is to be out muscle memory. So try to do as fast as possible as you practice. The next part is record, and that's the difference between this and this. So there are two main differences between these two algorithms. The first one had a choppy execution, but the second one was really smooth all the way through. We have been in the scenario before where you are practicing an algorithm. It's going very well and you just keep doing over and over again. When you are practicing an algorithm through repetition, when you get to the point where each time you can do it perfectly, you are not really being competitive every time you do it again and again. The better next step is to put the cube down and come back to it later. Doing an algorithm over and over, it doesn't force you to record it because your brain just holds on to the information and keeps using. You need your brain to put that away and then come back to it later and ask your brain to look for it again. So if you have 10 minutes to practice an algorithm, you should not just do the algorithm for 10 minutes straight. If you practice it till you are good, stop for a while and go again and repeat, then you will also be training your record, which makes your algorithm smoother in the future. So I know training algorithm is kind of hard work, maybe not as fun as doing extra stuff, but then again, how you gonna get faster without hard work? Also, you need good finger tricks to make the algorithm fast. So you can check for the video on the end screen to help you with that. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys next time.